All right, thank you guys for tuning in to my screencast today. I am going to be giving us some directions into how to develop a flip grid for the classroom. This is going to allow us to share videos, allow the students to share videos, and in the professional development realm, it could give us an introduction to whatever professional development course that is about to be had in the professional realm. So first thing you would need to do in order to create your FlipGrid profile is to access a internet profile, internet reception. So we're going to do Google Chrome here. I'm going to get this Google Chrome up. All right, after you get your internet platform together, you're going to type in flipgrid.com, and that's going to be FLIPGRID.com. Yes, very good. Then we're going to sign up today right here in the right hand corner. You can either sign up with Google or with Microsoft. I'm going to go ahead and use this Google sign up platform just so it could be a little easier. Click there, and it's going to give me a list of platforms I can choose from. I'm going to go ahead and use my personal account. Yes, and here we are. So I have some flip grids already developed, but I am going to give us a tutorial on how to create a new one. So we're going to press new grid there. Then we're going to press classroom because this is going to be an example for how you guys can incorporate this into your classroom. So we're going to press classroom and next. We're going to create a grid password. That means the password that you're going to be able to give out to your students when they want to access. I'm going to use my last name, Streeter, build my grid, and we are all set. So here you have your flip code. This flip code is what you're going to give to students to access what you have set up for them online. So we have that. And you can do class introductions. So students will be able to click on here and write a video or record a video of themselves, introducing themselves to the classroom, introducing themselves to the topic. Administration can introduce a professional development course. The leader of the professional development course can use this to introduce themselves, and that would just kind of open up the realm for a personalized area of either the professional development or in the classroom, bridging that gap between teacher and student, or bridging that gap between professional development leader and the teachers that are going to be receiving the information. Here, I would use this a lot in my classroom for students creating videos for me to see how they form a math question. So I would share these with the students in URL embedded or QR code, excuse me, and then we're going to use this code with the kids, copy this link onto whatever platform that you use, and that would be the conclusion of our flip grid. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.